Hi guys, if your electric stove burner always is stuck on high or it spontaneously switches to high, no matter in which position you have this knob, this could mean that the infinite switch behind this knob is out of order. This is the end of the switch, and this is how the new one looks like. And today we will show you how to replace it. Turn the power off before you start working on the stove. We will need to remove this metallic panel behind the stove. There are 5 screws that hold it in place. Now we need to remove 2 screws in the front. And then you'll be able to pull the switch out. We have 4 switches inside our stove, the one that we are replacing, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. As you can see that the one that we are replacing is different from the one next to it. The reason for that is our blue switch is responsible for the dual burner, the bigger one, and the one on the left is responsible for the single burner located on top of the previous one. This switch is called infinite because it can infinitely vary the power level of the burner, therefore you can set different levels of heat. You will see a number of wires and connectors on the back of the switch. It's a good idea to make a picture or replace them one by one. This way you don't mix them up. As you can see, our switch is gray, it's not blue. It is slightly different, but it is still fully interchangeable with the blue one. On this side we have 3 contacts which will be transferred to the new one. The next side we have 2 contacts and 1 extra prong on the blue one, which we don't have on the new switch, but we still have 2 prongs which will receive the original wires. The next side we have again 2 contacts on the original switch. On this one it may confuse you a little bit. We have 1 prong on the bottom, and the contact is connected to the one next to it, but electrically it is the same point since it is connected with a metal bracket, so it still can be transferred to the prong on this side without any issues. And we will leave you the part numbers for both the original switch and the new one in the description. Now you have to locate the proper contact on the new one and immediately connect the wire. And as you can see guys, you can also use small pliers to pull them off. This is a part number of the original switch, and this is a part number of the new one. Now we can put everything back together, insert the new switch inside, and reinstall the screws. Also guys, your switch may arrive with this spindle being upside down. You can see this plastic bracket on top, and on the original you will see this cut out on top. Again, this means that the spindle itself is upside down and we need to turn it 180 degrees. For this you can install the knob, and in this case the red dot was initially on the bottom. Simply turn it 180 degrees and now it's on top, and now it's in its proper orientation. The way to check it would be in its proper position. You should be able to push the knob inside and it will actually go inside, and when it's upside down you won't be able to press it like this. So if this is the case, simply turn it 180 degrees. Now we can reinstall the metal cover in the back. Now it's time to test our new switch. We will set it to high with both elements working. And as you guys can see, we have both elements on high right now, so I will switch it to low now and take a look immediately. We don't see the red elements anymore. I'll set it to high again, high, and as you can see it changes to red. Low again, high. This means that our switch is working properly. I will also test the single element. I'll set it to high. This is the element inside the burner, and I will change it to low. High. And let's switch to low. And the light disappears. That's it for our video today. Thank you guys for watching. We will leave you links for the switches in the description, and we'll see you in the next video.